Hi, welcome back. In this session, we will see the configuration, how it works for invoice list. I have already shown you the transactional process. There we have base price, net value, and gross value, and MWST. So, till here I'm fine. We need to configure DFAD and TFAD, and let's try to discuss what exactly it is. Okay. So now, uh, let's go to V/08. Okay. So here, this is my pricing procedure. I didn't set up much condition types, but let's see this invoice list, how it works. Okay. Currently, we are having base price and one discount and MWST. What I should do is, let me show you from where actually I need to take the reference from this. Probably I might have shown you in the previous ones. Okay. So if you take this one, I would like to show you the condition types. Okay. The condition types. Let's come down a bit. So these are the two steps actually we required. Okay. I will explain you what exactly it is. So just copy this. You can take any step number for that matter. I'm just taking this one. So let's select this. Go over here. Okay. New entries. Let me copy. So this I have already discussed. GFAD for factoring discount. As of now, these two are the required condition types. Okay. So you can see this required means mandatory condition types, and both are statistical condition type. Let me put it statistical condition type. What is the functionality behind in it? Okay. GFAD for to apply factor discount, and this is for tax on factoring discount. Okay. What is the 23 all about? It will apply only at invoice level. For see, only at billing document level, this will apply. Okay. You have already seen in ECC 24 for rebates actually. Okay. So this one, if we look at this, what it talks about 21. Okay. 21 is invoice list control. That means, so it is not like your regular MWST. It will basically applies for the discount of the tax on the factoring discount. Let's see this. You can see this. This is an example here explained, right? This requirement is not relevant. Document is relevant for invoice list and document either billing document or credit memo. Okay, invoice list has that functionality. A company creates invoice list which includes billing documents for the given month, which invoice list pair. That's what I have explained. So when German, within German, factoring discount tax applied 15%. To recognize this, we use MW15. That is what he is talking about. And so we can take MW15 also against factoring discount RL000. Okay. But I'm taking these two condition types. Okay. DFAD and TFAD. And let's try to discuss. There is no harm in this. TFAD is exact like your MW15. Okay. So now let's try to check. So now, as per our process, we have a price and discount. Discount is not mandatory. I'm telling MWST, it will be calculated. This is the tax on net value. This is the tax on your factoring discount. Okay. Let's check this. Let me show you. Oh, what this session? Let me share this session. So here we can able to see this. Go to the position. Let me show you the definition one more time. DFAD, this is factoring discount. Discount we are calculating first. And here is the invoice list condition type, as I explained that, okay, in previous session. So this is the difference. And this one is invoice list condition, okay. And factoring discount, TFAD. DFAD. So this is for tax actually. Again, this is specifically for your invoice list. Okay. So now go to we place the condition types, right? So we have to maintain the condition record. Okay. Let's go to v slash v slash 07. I have used the key combination. If you would like to use the key combination, what you want it. Okay, same MWST1, whatever the key combinations we have, the same I have reutilized. Okay, let's check this. Before that, so let's go to VK11. Okay, so I would like to maintain it for DFAD. Okay, so here I'm taking this one like my sales organization, RAM, and this is DI, and this is DC. Okay, so the customer is from India. Actually, I'm delivering the goods as per my previous examples. So this assume that I'm taking the export scenario. Okay. So like the factoring discount, I'm just giving 1%. Okay. I'm saving this one. Okay. Let me replace this. Someone has maintained this is the standard one, right? And this I'm taking now. Okay. This one is referenced from MWST. That means that should be applicable. So let me check this, how extend it works. So just take first, this is D, and this is India. Okay. Maybe I'm taking this one as 19%. So let me take the fact score as this one. Okay. So I don't want to, sorry, fact score as, okay, let's say this. Let's check this. Okay. Anyhow, let me create an order. Okay. Okay, you are watching the right screen, right? Sales order. Okay, let me recheck. Okay. Let me take the material with 10 pieces. Okay. So net value is 900. Let's come here. What and all happened here. Okay. So 100 each piece. So 10 pieces, it is 1000. So 100 euros discount, you got it 900. Okay. So whatever the factoring discount, see, it's a statistical condition and you have a routine number 23 and 21. So that what it leads, it will be applicable at invoice level only. Okay. So let's create the delivery quickly. Let me take the 10 pieces. PZA. What it is talking. Correct customizing setting lecture for universal general. Let me check. See, this is practice system, right? If people will remove the settings like anything. Okay, someone has spoiled something. Let me check. So someone has changed client level currency. I have corrected it. Now PCI done. Let's do the billing. Okay. So let's go and check item level and conditions. Now you can able to see this. So 1000 is your value gross in that 100 discount and 900 is my target amount to calculate. Okay. So 19% on 900, 171. So 1% factoring discount on this net value is 9 and 19% on 9 euros, it is 1.1, 1.71. Let's try to show you on the Excel. Okay. So what you have, I'm just replacing the values. 1000. Okay. So let me try to add, insert one more line. This is for discount. Okay. So your discount. So what is your net? Okay. 100 minus, I don't want to put the MWST here. Okay. So discount should be, let me put it, why you wanted to confuse. I don't want to confuse you. Let me put here. Okay. PR 000,000. Okay. Euros. Gross is the same because we don't have any other condition type. K 0005, it is applied. How much it is? This is 100. Okay. This is basically discount. This is basically your base. I think you are watching the right screen, right? Excel I'm sharing. Yeah. So now let's take this one minus this one. You got your net value. Okay. So now it's time to MWST. Okay. This is tax. Tax, how much it is calculated? This into 19 divided by 100. Okay. Tax 171. So now factoring discount. Okay. So what is the factoring discount? DFAT. Okay. Factoring discount. How much it is? It is this into 1% divided by 100. 9 it is calculated. Okay. Tax on factoring discount. Tax on FAT dis. Okay. Factoring discount. How much it is? I maintain the condition record as a 19% into 19 divided by 100. Okay. 1.7. Let me show you the calculation. Okay. So it is exactly matching with the same, right? Okay. Still, if you are not convinced, let me keep this. Okay. Now you check with this condition value. Let me, okay. Now see, this is 1000. Gross is this one. Okay. Discount is K0005 matching. Net is same. MWST is this. Okay. This is the correct calculation. Okay. Sometimes Excel, some rounding difference will come, but still it is okay. Okay. So this is one invoice. Let me show you. Let me try to create one more invoice. Okay. It's simple as it is. So let's save this. At least I'm just showing you, even single invoice means there is no meaning for invoice list actually. Okay. I'm showing this one. Okay. Now on 90 factory discount is applied. Okay. So this is how it is calculated. Let's try to create an invoice list. So for invoice list, okay, let me show you VO FA. Okay, header, I would like to show you what is the document. You can see this. This is for invoice list and this is for invoice list cancellation. Okay. So now see this. This is the invoice list and the invoice list document category is this one. And this is the cancel billing document. Okay. I'm not at created. I'm showing you the config and parallelly how it works. So now let's go to, I just copied F2 as a DF2. In DF2, if you see this invoice list is, you have to assign to your billing document type. That means you must have the copy control between all billing document to invoice list. Okay. let me show you VTFF. Okay. If you go to the VTFF, what is this? What is the condition type? Source is DF2. Target is LR, invoice list. See, source is this one, this one. You have, you can able to see the copy control setup. 16 will be there, routine for invoice list. If you don't have that, it will fail, okay? Because there is no item category dependency for this process. Now go to VF21 is the transaction for creating invoice list. This is the latest invoice I have created, okay? Let's copy this one, okay? And I'm just taking two invoices. Like that, you have to take the list of invoices. I'm just showing in this example two invoices. You can able to take some 10, 20, 100 like that, you can club. Okay. So if it is user defined or one defined, then you can able to choose it, but still it will take by default. Okay. So what is this? Okay. Press enter. Okay. This is one thing. What is the latest one I have created? This is the problem. We'll forget RAM, date. Where is the date? Today's date. Give it and execute. Maybe my last two billing documents. Today, too many created. And let me check which one is latest here. I think this 137, I feel. One 37 and 36. Mhm. Forgotten the document. You know how I do one thing? Let's try to create a new couple of invoice. How does it make differs actually? Okay. Wow. So to show you, so let's come here. So maybe I'll take 20. Okay. This time I'll just put it this first list. Okay. So let's do the delivery. Press enter. Do the delivery. Let's do the bill for this. Let's check. So this time it is 1800. Okay. So next order will take the 10 items. Total 30 line items we will take. So this is 140. Let's check. Let's try to create quickly. Okay. So second INV. Okay. See, we can search, but it will take time. Why unnecessary? Okay. So we'll create 3 invoices otherwise. Okay, now it is delivered. Now let's go to VF01. Okay. So we got 140, 141. We'll take one more. Okay. For comparison, it will be good actually. Otherwise, you think that you only created with two. Huh? So this is, you have to learn, master of yourself. So in this, I'll take two line items. Okay. So let's take, don't worry about the log. So let's do the PCI. And now let's click the BF01. Okay. For two line items, it will generate. So now go back to the Excel. Okay. I have taken 30 quantity. Okay. Each quantity is 100. So let's try to check invoice list creation. So let's go to BF21. So let's copy this. One is 141 and another one is 140. Okay, I am live recording. So let's see if any issues comes. Now see this, previously 3600. Okay, net value is 3600. Okay. So like let's try to make it here the same scenario. For example, here how many 30 what I would say 30 quantity, each one is 100. That means 30 and each quantity is 100. Okay, it should be equal to 30 into 100. Okay, 3000. Okay, so if it is 3000, so gross will be 3000, same. Okay, discount will be uh, so like this discount is 100, right? uh, for initially, so how much I maintained, so it can be 300. Okay, 300. Okay, so net value is 2700. Okay, so let me check how much it is coming. Somewhere the quantity differences will be there. Anyhow, whatever it may be the case, this is 3600. Okay, net value. Tax amount is, if I put it, net value as 3600 here, I'll get the calculation. So 684, 36 and 6.84. Okay, 6.84, 36. You got correctly. Okay. So this is all about your invoice list creation. Let's go to the partner. You can able to check who is the partner for invoice list. Generally, it is payer. Okay, 99%. Let's check this. See, now you can able to see payer or bill to party. Okay, come back. This is for your conditions. Okay, after save, we can able to see this, but still I can able to show you. Okay, you can able to see this. This one is what is your factoring discount and how much percentage it is applied. Line to line, it changes. So I think we have taken one piece. That's why the value differed. Okay. Here, if you see this, this is what is all about item 2. Okay. So now go to this header level conditions, the total, how it will be calculated at all. Okay. Total factoring discount is 36 for all three line items too. So you can able to see this. Okay. Gross amounts here, net value here. See, this is 900, 900 and 1800. Okay. Total 3600. Okay. Totally got it correct. Tax amounts are here. Okay. This is factoring discount. The total is correct, 36. 19, 19, 18, 18 plus 36. Okay. This is how it displays. Output. You can able to configure output. Later I will show you. The output is RL000. As of now, I don't want to show you because output it's a lengthy discussion for all document types. Okay. So let's save this. Okay. Now go to VF22. Okay. You can able to see like this. If you want, you can able to generate accounting document like this. Okay. This is what it is all about. Okay. Anyhow, factoring discount invoice list, you understood what is factoring discount, how it will be applied, you understood. Let me try to show you something here. If you would like to applicable your BP, okay, for factoring discount, what is the prerequisite? Okay, just go to the, I'll show you the BP which we have tried now. This is the BP is all about. Within that, we have a customer. What are the customer we tried? For customer partner, okay, this is SD role. Go to sales and distribution. Go to the billing. So this must be, you have to keep factory calendar, invoice list dates. So invoice list date, what is the advantage? I will tell you one thing, like, suppose you can able to schedule a background job. For total month end, invoice list will generate for that customer. And it will go to the customer inbox also. Like that, you can able to do the scenarios. Okay. This is the setting 100% you have to do it for your payer. Okay. All remaining okay. Payer or a bill to party, based on that, it will work for you. So BP, I haven't created any separately. I used the exact BP. Okay. If I go to the, what I would say, to recollect, one is base price, you have to set up gross till here. This is your regular pricing procedure, right? This is your regular pricing procedure. On top of it, GFAD and TFAD, you have to place in pricing procedure. These are two condition types. Okay. One is for calculating, factoring discount and another. See, this is not mandatory, I'm telling you. Okay. Without these two condition types also, you can able to generate invoice list. When you wanted to give discount, then only you choose this. When you would like to calculate the tax on the discount, you choose this. Otherwise, these two are not mandatory to generate invoice list. But in a world scenario, without tax, who will allow you? Okay. So I think we're good to close. Let me show you one thing. So what you can able to do is, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can keep in touch with me. And all these are the different courses. I'm going to launch one more course, currently holding 6,500 plus students. And the existing S4HANA courses, if you'd like to learn in-depth BP, okay, BP I have explained in this course also, very good scenario. And another couple of scenarios I explained separately and all relevant for BP, total 11 hours. And this is for S4HANA business processes. Most of the processes I have created, 99% processes I have created. This is for FSCM, for credit management. And this is for your advanced pricing concepts. If you would like to learn apart from regular pricing, if anything, if you want, you can give it a try. And what else? The topics are few topics left, and I'll try to do as quick as possible. Okay. And if anything, if anything, if you have a doubts, you can express through Udemy forum. Don't give false ratings, and I'll try to give my best to explain the things. And if you really want something, you can comment and instead of giving ratings, and probably I can join Zoom call and I'll discuss with you on how it works and all. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Your learning is more important and your ratings important for me to get survive here. Thank you so much. Have a great day.